friends. Spirit is feeling a little spicy today, wanting me to break out my roast iconic deck. So somebody needs to be roasted, or somebody's about to be roasted by the universe. Yeah, okay. So this person, they think they're desirable. They think that people want them. You've got snack in reverse, influencer in reverse. So they think that they're cutesy. They think they're attractive. This could be in a physical sense or in any other sense. They think that they influence people to do certain things, but I'm hearing, how can you influence people to do things that you're not doing yourself? Or perhaps they're spending a lot of time trying to influence people to see them in a certain light, and that light is very, 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 very wrong. I'm hearing, let's build a town. Oh. Rap God is on. You probably are in a trauma bond with this person, or you were once trauma bonded with this person, or perhaps they're trying to trauma bond with you. Fuck them. Fuck them. You've got this billionaire energy, and I feel like that's why this is coming up. Because this person, with Rap God on too, this person has spent a lot of time trying to influence people on the fact that you aren't who you say you are, but really it's them. People are, you know, them trying to say like, oh, they're not actually that like attractive in real life. That's just the persona they put up on the internet or whatever. And I'm hearing like they spend a lot of time trying to cover their true story, while you are a person that lives very authentically. And so you don't have to cover your story, because there's no need to cover your story. Especially because you're so close to your billionaire energy, the Nine of Wands. You're like right there, friend. The Death. Who's not letting go? Who's not letting go? Okay, this person, this ex, this failed influencer, they've refused to shift their perspective on the parts that they've played in this story, and also they've refused to shift their perspective on why things haven't worked out for them. They're spending all of this time trying to spread love and light that is essentially poisoned, because they are not love and light, because they are quite honestly evil in their real life. Even though they spread joy on the internet, spreading joy on the internet when you are a toxic person is quite literally still spreading toxic energy, but with a smile. It's like insulting people with a smile. It doesn't negate the fact that you're still spreading like misinformation, false positivity. You don't get, it's like the universe is, or God, or whoever it is that you believe in, they're smarter than these idiots that think that they can fake being nice. They know it's fake. They know that this person is being nice just to get the credit for being nice. They're not being nice because they're nice. And they're about to be very, very disappointed about how this rolls out in their life. So you probably told this person to get fucked. King of Cups in reverse. You tried to help this person and they turned you, it's like you tried to help this person and you are normally the King of Cups upright, but because of how this person pushed you and pushed you and pushed you and pushed you, they forced you into the villain. But I'm hearing like reactive abuse. They use that tactic a lot. They forced you to look bad, and it's like in that moment, sure, yeah, but it's only because you are only looking at that moment. But if people saw how much they pushed you and pushed you and pushed you and pushed you and pushed you, they would then understand that you just reacted to all of that abuse. Seven of Wands in reverse. With the Hierophant, Seven of Cups. Yeah, they're going to be going a little cuckoo bananas soon. 777. They're going to be going a little cuckoo bananas soon, because you're about to start reaping what you sowed, and they also are going to start reaping what they sowed. I'm hearing they're going to start reaping the reality of what they sowed. I'm hearing they're spending, oh God. I don't know how I want to put this. Basically, I'm hearing God, Spirit, the universe kind of saying like, I'm hearing Spirit say like, be careful who you're allowing to influence you, because even though it looks good, like they're not living that mission out. And so now they're like wanting me to talk about authenticity and what that means. Three of Cups in reverse. Yeah. What does authenticity mean? Authenticity is aligning with yourself regardless of what the masses will see or think or like how they view you. Authenticity is checking in with yourself. Am I doing this thing because I want to? Or am I doing it from a state of people pleasing or insecurity or fear? And now they're showing me this person that tries really, really hard to make friends with all of these different people. And God is like, all of these relationships are failing. And it's because God is like, do you actually want those friendships, or are you trying to build all of these friendships out of a place of insecurity, out of a place of lack? Or is this a friendship that you're being drawn to? It's reminding me of this like recent, like this is a person like I've known like through social media for a very long time. We grew up in the same town, but we didn't know each other in real life. But then recently we really started interacting, and I feel very drawn to this person. So this is a relationship I'm willing to put the time and energy into, because I'm feeling drawn to it, because we have so much that feels aligned, because they boost me up. And instead, the old me would have just tried to make friends because I didn't have friends, and I would have made friendships work because I didn't have friends or whatever. And so it's like God, Spirit, the universe is wanting more people to start really taking a look at both how you're moving and then how other people are moving. Are they doing it from a place of insecurity? Are they doing it from a place of jealousy? Are they doing it from a place of pain? Or are they doing it from a place of authenticity? Are they able to show up as their authentic selves? Because if people aren't showing up as their authentic self, then you don't know who they are underneath all of that, and you're supposed to be aligning with authenticity. Do they wear that thing because they feel pressured to wear that thing? Or do they wear that thing because it really brings them peace? Are they doing that thing to fit in, or are they doing that thing because that's what they want to do? Is their personality really like that, or is that a trauma response or a mask? Thinking Out Loud by Ed Sheeran. Yeah, definitely spending more time thinking out loud. Allowing those thoughts to not just stay in here, but to kind of be seen through your actions. And now they're showing me like they're showing me some other relationships that I've kind of fell into along the way and kind of fell out of because I could sense their lack of authenticity. And so it's almost like God, Spirit, the universe is, I don't know, they're just right back to like, if they don't feel authentic, then keep it moving. And it doesn't mean that they're bad people, and it doesn't mean that they're not for you. It just means you're not aligned in the moment. And when you're aligning with people who are not aligned, you are almost putting yourself out of alignment. 8 of Cups in reverse. Yeah, it's like you're walking right back into the things that you've tried to walk away from. I don't know. I hope this is making way more sense. The Devil, it fell out sideways. I hope this is making more sense, all of it together. But it's like the Moon. Yeah, it's like the Moon and the Devil. It's almost like God, Spirit, the universe is reminding you that you should definitely be paying attention to mysterious ways, mysterious things. You should be paying attention to the energy people are operating from, because I'm hearing it's contagious. I'm hearing to make sure that you're calling in people that are in the same vibration as you. And so when we're aligning with people that are not in the same vibration, they will pull you down, even if you don't know it. I'm hearing secret haters. I'm hearing like jealousy, even if they're not like the hater jealousy, but they're still like internally there's a lot of jealousy. That's not good for you. They're projecting negativity onto you. So this is just giving like, be very, very, very careful who you're allowing to influence you, or who you're allowing in your energy. Even though they might look good and sound good, it doesn't mean that they are good. And now they're showing me all of this like teen mom stuff that I've kind of been stumbling across, that like a lot of these teen mom people are not actually as amazing as they're being painted out to be on Teen Mom, whatever that means. The Knight of Cups. Something really good's coming in for you, friends, emotionally.